How important do you think are the student and teacher exchanges among European universities? Is there enough of these exchanges, and what positive results do you think they have?
It's one of the most important things, and I think it's not by chance that Erasmus Plus, which is based on students' mobility, is one of the most popular and most successful projects of the European integration. We did a lot, but it's not enough yet. 9 million young Europeans could use the opportunities of Erasmus Plus so far. We would like to widen the social appeal of Erasmus Plus. We would like to reach those people who are coming from less fortunate economic background, or we would like to reach out the younger age groups. For instance, we would like to reintroduce the students' mobility in secondary schools as well, because it had been very popular, but now it's not possible. So we would like to reintroduce it, and we would like to make it socially more sensitive to those people who are coming from rural or remote areas or rural economic areas.
What do you think are the biggest benefits of this exchange?
Oh, there's a lot of benefits. For instance, you can make friendships in another country. You can develop your language skills. You can develop your life skills. Living abroad, living in a different country, it makes you more well equipped for life. So I think it has a huge contribution to the development of a personality.
And that it shows results also, final comparisons of knowledge on a higher level.
Yes, companies usually see those young people who can speak several foreign languages, experience abroad, and have plenty of those kind of life skills.